Hey there, friends. As you can see here, I'm on my desktop right now and right click on an empty space. Here, you're going to click Display Settings, and this opens up the settings window. And underneath the display settings, underneath scale and layout, you should see an option there, display resolution. And this is where you can change your resolution. Underneath the same section, you can also change your image scale. So this is how zoomed in the elements on your monitor are. So the scale is also useful if you're using a different sized monitor but on the same resolution. And let's say it's a large monitor but with a smaller or standard resolution. You can up the scale to make things a bit larger and fit the size of your monitor a bit more. So that's it. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.